Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark, Kidizen, Mercari, and I like to do a lot of mystery boxes. ThreadUp is like my frenemy. It's just this like crazy relationship where I say I'm never going to order things again and I do, and then I fall in love with them. It's just a thing. But today I have something a bit different for you. My friend Nicole, she's a bad influence. So she recently did an unboxing just like this. And of course I watch all of her videos and I wrote her and I'm like, I need this. So this is something that you could buy as a reseller in mind and make a profit, which we will go through. But someone like me, I was like, I need that for myself, and I'm going to do the Amanda thing and then flip some of the other things in order to get what I want for free. That's kind of how I go about this whole reselling thing of mine. So the company I ordered from is Portland Leather Goods. I want to do a quick screen share just to show you where to go on the website because it took me a little bit to find it because I didn't want to ask a million questions again after I'd already been asking her so many. So let me show you guys. Okay. So it's Portland Leather Goods. It's just portlandleathergoods.com. And this is a mystery bag. So they make gorgeous leather purses, men's items, small goods. So they have an almost perfect sale, which is, I mean, I've watched some other videos about them. I've read reviews. Sometimes they're almost perfect items. You can't even tell what flaw they were talking about. So if you just click on the search bar and just type mystery, you will see their mystery boxes. Right now, 2 of them are sold out. This is the one that we're going to go over today, the mini crossbody mystery box, which is actually on sale right. Oh, no, this is what I paid. Yes, I paid $108 plus $14.95 shipping. So it came out to $122.95. Now, there is a crossbody, mini crossbody, the tote, and the mystery. So my box came with, so I just wanted to show you guys how to find it. Just go to their website, click on search, type in mystery, and these options will come up. So I am the type of person these days, I don't carry a diaper bag anymore. My kids are 6, 8, and 10, but I do carry a purse, and I found myself only carrying crossbodies. I have this Vera Bradley, just like basic, but it's seen better days. And so I'm like, I need a new crossbody. And so I happened to watch Nicole's video, and it was called the mini crossbody, and she holds this thing up and it's giant. So I'm glad that I knew that the mini is indeed large. So I can't imagine how big the actual normal crossbody is. So anyway, I just kind of wanted to share with you guys. So this comes with a mini crossbody mystery. So you don't know what color, they all look the same. Plus 4 more leather items, and they could be an array of things. I already did peek because I wanted to figure out the cost, and Nicole got different items than I got. So this bag, if you were to buy their mini crossbody, full price would be $248. Right now it is on sale for $132. If you were to buy just the almost perfect mini crossbody, which I don't know if they're in stock, but those are $88. Now remember, I paid $108 for this whole box plus the shipping, so $122.95. And we will go over the cost of the other items that I got. I believe that all of these items are considered the almost perfect. And I did stalk Nicole's Poshmark, and she's already sold some of her items. So I know that I'm going to be able to recoup a lot of my money towards what I want to keep. All right, so I did put it back how it came just so I could show you guys. It's a cute little box. I love when things ship fast because if I order something, I want it like yesterday. So I believe it took like maybe 4 business days to get to me. So it comes on. It smells, if you like the smell of fresh leather, I mean, oh, it's so good. It's like those leather candles. So it came like this, and right away I can see this is the color of the mini crossbody that I got. And I did already pull it out like I told you, and I cannot see anywhere on it why they would have considered it an almost perfect bag. Like, I really can't. The big strap is in here. So, I mean, sometimes it could be like one little scuff, but you guys, like, this bag looks perfect. And you see how big it is? Like, as a crossbody, this is big. So they have stuffed my other items in here. I'll show you the rest of the bag once this stuff is out. Okay, so let's dig in and see what I got. So this is the pencil pouch. It says Portland Leather Goods. And yeah, again, like I literally see nothing wrong with this thing. It's just beautiful. The craftsmanship of this, I would have never heard about this company. I don't know where she found out about it. Yeah, but wow, this is great. So this pencil case you can purchase for $24 on their website. And I believe that there are some solds for around $35 plus shipping. So that's nice. And they've got different colors. Their colors have really cool names, actually, like Merlot and Honey. And so I'm going to have to try to figure out what colors I have. Now, this is a really cool item. This is their eyeglasses case, which I searched the website. Someone can correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't believe you can purchase this. I believe this is only an item that comes in their mystery bags because I couldn't find it to tell you the cost. But it is, again, just so well made. It's beautiful. So I'll be selling this, and I think that Nicole sold hers as well. And I think this was the item she said sold in like 5 minutes for $35 plus shipping. So just beautiful. Okay, after seeing her video, there was one item where I was like, I hope I get that because my husband could use a new wallet. Well, I got one in this really nice gray color. I could have prepared a little more. Let me look real quick and see over here. Because I mean, if I were to name this color, I would call it like a slate. So they do call this their mini wallet or something like that. I don't know. Oh, I do know. Mini envelope wallet. Let's see if they have this color in something so I can tell you the name of it. They have grizzly, black, cognac, honey. Yeah, so I believe this is the honey color. Yeah. I don't even see this as a color. So sometimes in their mysteries, I did read some fine print that they might do small batch runs of things in colors that are not available in other things. So we're going to keep this, but I love it. It's simple. It's got room for your cards, and that is it. So this is another item that we will be keeping. This is a passport holder, and these go for $26, but man, it just feels so buttery soft. Like, this company doesn't know that I don't think either of us were going to do reviews on them. So I get nothing for sharing this with you guys from this company. So I hope you check it out. I mean, if you like good leather quality, yeah. So, so far I have shown you guys my 4 items. So these were the 4 mystery items and the purse. So considering that they were all going to be like the almost perfect, which you guys, like, I don't see anything wrong with any of these. It would have been 88, 16, 26, 24. The eyeglass, so forget the eyeglass case because I couldn't find a price for that. So just the purse and these 3 at the very discounted rate, I think they're perfect. But let's consider that all of these were their like discounted ones. That would have been $154. So plus the eyeglass, let's just assume that this is the typical, let's average $25. We're talking like $175 retail if all of these are considered imperfect, which again, like, they don't look to be. And with shipping, I paid $122.95. So for such a quality leather bag, I think that is great. And so I'm going to recoup some of that by selling, I want to sell 3 of these items. I'm just going to keep this from the mysteries, but check out this bag. Like, this is just, it's gorgeous. So here's the strap. It was underneath all of that. It's adjustable. And this is a pouch here on the outside. I love that. So I can just drop my phone in there. Nice little, my Portland leather bag. It's just talking about the leather color may transfer at first, but look in there. There's so much room. It's just, I love it. It does have a snap closure, but okay, I gotta show you. Like, look at that. It is perfect. And I love it because it's like, not black, not brown, not, I don't know. I got to figure out what color they call this. So anyway, I know this was like kind of a short video and not necessarily like the typical content that I do, but kind of. So if you're looking for a new leather bag, or you're looking for a way to source some like nice quality inventory, check out their sales. I think I read right now, you can get 25% off just by signing up for their email. It looks like they've got an extra 30% off coupon right now. So yeah, they're a July 4th sale they have happening, but they make some really cute stuff. So if you're looking for a gift for somebody, yeah, like if my husband had a job where he had to carry a briefcase, I would definitely be buying him. Like, it just smells so good, and it's just such quality. So let me know if you guys end up ordering from here, and I'd love to see if anyone of you guys make videos. I love to watch a good mystery video. So, and I already did show Michael this, and he was like, I like that, that's cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will tell you that my living room has 4 giant boxes that got delivered today from ThreadUp. If that gives you any hint of what's coming, I do have a new 5-part series coming for you. So stay tuned for that later this week. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye, guys.